Hey everybody, I'm Premiere Gal and I'm super excited to be here on Lick's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix multiple different sounds together, dialogue, music, ambience, all together inside of Premiere Pro. First, make sure you're in the audio workspace by clicking on audio. This will pull up the essential sound panel on the right. That's what we're going to use to adjust the different loudness levels of the different audio types in our timeline. So in my timeline, I have the stock video clips of the Himalayas, and on audio track 1, I have my own narration. It's a voiceover I did to try to imitate Sir David Attenborough from Planet Earth. In audio 2, I have a music track, and audio 3, I have some ambience, a wind sound to match the mountains. Now, if I play it back, you'll hear that it's really difficult to hear the narration because the music and the wind is too loud. So that sounded horrible because it was too loud that it was peaking and distorting the sound. So we really need to bring down the levels to fix this. This is where the essential sound panel comes in handy. So with these 3 narration clips here, let's lasso and select all of them together and then select dialogue as the audio type. Then up at the top, we can adjust the loudness. Right now it's at -25.9 loops. Let's go ahead and hit auto match and watch the waveform jump up. It actually corrects it to -23 loops. So it was close, but it just moved it a little bit higher to be the broadcast standard. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing to the music. Let's select it, then select the music, and hit auto match. And it will adjust it to -25 loops in loudness. Let's do the same with the ambience. And let's select the ambience audio type and hit auto match. And it automatically adjusts it to -30 loops. So now when we play it back, it's a little bit easier to hear the narration.
There are only 14 peaks in the world that rise to over 8,000 meters.
So you can still hear a little bit of distortion in the voice. We'll fix that in a moment, but first let's go ahead and duck the audio levels of the music and the ambience. So over here in the ducking, click on the checkbox here and make sure to duck against dialogue and just leave it at the default for now and generate keyframes. And you can see it added keyframes to reduce it to -18 decibels when I'm speaking, and then it will rise up again when the narration ends. And the same with the wind ambience. Let's go to ducking, check the box here, make sure it's dialogue, and generate keyframes. The other thing I noticed is that the dialogue is a little bit too loud. It was peaking in the red, so I'm going to lasso and select these and just reduce this volume slider on the left just slightly so it's not quite peaking. Let's do around 7.7, and now let's play it back and see how it sounds.
There are only 14 peaks in the world that rise to over 8,000 meters. All of them are here in the Himalayas.
So already we have a massive improvement from the beginning where it was peaking too loud, and now we can hear all of the tracks, and this is how you get started with mixing inside of Premiere Pro. Thanks so much for watching. If these tips help you out, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're interested in more tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you can get more useful tips from myself and other creators. And if you're interested in licensing music that was used in this tutorial or other commercial music, you can use the linked link below to license music for your video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!